Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple receipt system which was developed by using a Python programming language. Now, you can see that the interface of this system is very simple and attractive, but it also has some unique functionalities. You can enter the name, quantity, price, and customer name by using these input fields. After that, when you click the Add button, then your entered item will display in this table. You can also see your grand total of all entered items as shown below. When you want to delete your entered item, then simply click this delete button. If you want to clear all the things, then simply click this reset button. After all the entries, when you click the sell button, you can see the dialog box to save your receipt into your desired place in a PDF form to print the receipt. You can see that the modest formatting of the PDF, and this system will always generate a unique QR code for each receipt. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to see more interesting videos about software development and technologies, then hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification button for the updates of upcoming videos.